hip hinge with a chair and with a weight behind the pelvis. So I want you to use a weight that gives you a little bit of resistance. I like something around 8 to 10 pounds. You're gonna take that weight, place it behind your pelvis, and then I come close to a chair or a piece of furniture where I can tuck my toes under. And this is gonna help us to better understand our hip hinge strategy so we can access our glutes better when we squat. So as I lean my torso forward and send my pelvis back, the chair is going to act as a block to prevent my knees from going any further. So in order to come down into the squat, I have to press my pelvis back behind me. This helps to put the weight in my heels, which is then going to put my glutes into a more mechanical advantage to be used rather than just my quads. And then use that weight in your heels to exhale and press back up tall. So we inhale to lower, sending that pelvis back, exhale to drive back up. Once that movement becomes more natural, challenge yourself by stepping away from the chair to reproduce the same movement. So inhaling to lower, sending that pelvis back. The weight behind my pelvis also helps to naturally facilitate that. And then exhale to drive back up tall. The important thing here is to make sure that you're bending your knees as you send the pelvis back. Oftentimes people will start to get the lean down, but they're gonna forget to bend their knees, or they start to bend them and they stop, and they keep thinking they're going lower by just leaning further forward. That's not achieving the same strategy. So we need to make sure that we're bending our knees while we send the pelvis back in one fluid motion, and then exhale to drive back up tall. Once this becomes more natural, play around with that same technique using a weight in either hand, helping to load a weight up in front, and you can mix this up into your workouts for a more efficient squat strategy.